bird's got a little arrangement, a little surprise for you on White Christmas.
Well, we made it. Day 30. What better way to end this 30 days of bird than bird playing a Christmas tune? White Christmas. Yeah. At the end of the year, I always like to reflect and show my gratitude and appreciation for all of you and all the people that have taught me over this past year. It's been an amazing year. Thank you so much for all the support and the kind words. I wouldn't be doing all this without you all. So, thank you. This has been one of the more difficult things I've done, playing music, try to transcribe someone every day for 30 days. And I know it wasn't 30 consecutive days, but hey, life gets in the way. You guys all understand, I'm sure. And I plan on doing a long form video about all the things that I learned over these 30 days of transcribing bird. But I can tell you one thing that I've learned, and that is if you can focus, limit distractions, you can be very productive in 30 minutes a day playing music, and you can improve your skill level tremendously with just 30 minutes of focus. For now, enjoy this beautiful solo break. I've written it out into all 12 keys. Check the link below for the free download, and happy holidays. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Just remember, always positive, always progressing. Later.